Imagine you wake up tomorrow and all your n8n workflows are gone. Server crash, accidental delete, bad update. It can happen to anyone. And if you are handling client projects, that's not just your problem anymore. That's a business disaster. I am Avaz from AI Data House. Today I am showing you how to set up automatic backup of all your n8n workflows to Google Drive. We will be using some free templates. This is a template that is available on n8n site in templates. So I just need this number 2886. Now go to your n8n instance, the self-hosted instance. This is my n8n self-hosted instance. Keep the initial URL, type /templates/ the number of that template. That was 2886/setup. Press enter and it will be imported. Now we need two things. Press cross for now. This is the workflow that we have. Now whether your server crashes or you accidentally delete something, your workflows stay safe in Google Drive. So let's set it up step by step. You can follow along with me. First off, we need to set up Google Drive. Click on that, and if you don't have your account here, then you can click on top right to see the video how to set up Google Drive particularly. Once you do that, you just have to click here and connect the account. In the next step, we have to configure n8n. To configure n8n, I will go to setting, press command and click this n8n API so that we can open it in a new window. Here create a new API key. Let's give it a name test API. No expiry. Click on save and we have this API. Copy it and now go to credentials. In credentials, create credentials, click on n8n, search n8n and select this one. Type your API key here. For the base URL, it will be app.n8n.cloud. So here our name will come. Let me just go back. So if you see, this is our base URL, excluding the settings. I just copied that. And now if you see n8n.cloud/API/v1. So .cloud/API/v1. Just type this thing, click on save or rename it test credentials and save it. It's done. Now let's go back to our connection, our workflow. Click on it. From here, select the credentials that we just saved. We need to refresh it so that our connection is available here. Click on it again and here we have test credentials. You can execute it to test. So I test the first Google Drive setup. It is not working. Let's see where the problem is. This resource is not available. Folder create n8n.cc005 Sunday. Okay, from my drive. Parent folder is workflow backup. So this folder, we need to create this folder first, workflow backups, or we can create any folder and then call it here. So I just go to drive.google.com, click on new n8n backup, or we can give the same name, workflow backups. Workflow backups, yes. Click on create and now if I go here, now I can find that folder. Workflow backups, this one. If I click on execute, it should work now. So it worked. It created a subfolder inside this. Now let's check either our n8n is working or not. It's working. It's asking me either to show that data or not because we have a lot of data here, 108 items. It will take a little bit time. When you have more workflows, n8n interface takes time to load it. Okay, so here we have all of our data. Let's go back. This node is working fine. Now let's test these steps, the get folder and delete folder step, because here it is, you need to select the credentials here again. This folder is already available because we gave the same name. If you give another name, you will have to select this folder again here. Workflow backups, okay, and again here delete folder, delete by ID. It is already taking ID, so we don't need to worry about anything. If I click on this one, same, it's not, there is no hard-coded folder here. Everything is configured by ID. So just save it. Before publishing, let's test it and see either it is taking backups or not. Okay, so it's working fine. Everything is working in the loop, and once all of this backup is done, if there is any older backup, it will just go to this branch and it will delete that. Currently I am stopping it because it will take some time as I have a lot of workflows. So as it is working fine, you just need to publish it. Click on publish, it will be running automatically. If you want to change the time, click on this schedule trigger. Instead of running after 4 hours, we can change it to like 4 days. Maybe I will prefer running it after a day, so that is easier for me. Save, publish. So that's it. Your workflow are now automatically backing up after each day. We can check it by going here, workflow backups. We have taken this backup. See, each backup comes with a timestamp. If you need to recover a workflow, just download it and import it back into n8n. One very important thing, this workflow only backup your workflows, not credentials, your APIs, your credentials, password, database connections. They are not included in the backup. Why? Security reasons. n8n keep credentials encrypted separately. If you want to backup credentials too, there are different methods, using command line, using VPS methods. I will cover that in the next video. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe. Got any questions about the automation? You can drop them in the comments. And if you need custom n8n setup or automation solutions, reach out to AI Data House. Link is in the description.